Real quick, I just want to show the frame of this Trailers USA trailer that needs some framework. Forgive my videoing skills right now. I'm trying to show you which trailer I'm looking at. Once I start, I can't turn the camera over. If I can, I'm not that smart. So forgive me, I just want to show you what we're looking at here. So this is the very back of the trailer, as you can see. And that is a side support. That obviously has quite a bit of rust there. The sides are getting pretty crumbly, but that's the underside of it. So what you see closer to the board looks a little better. This is the very back support of the trailer. Getting pretty crumbly there, but honestly, not that bad. Just gonna move down the trailer a little bit, try to give you a good view. This is directly in the center. So this is the spring for the ramp, the back side of that piece of metal. It's underneath the spring, which is right in the center of the ramp. And again, what you're seeing on right here where my finger is, this is the back side of the trailer. So this is outside, this is air. And then the wood, that is the back end of the horse trailer. And it's right on down the side. So this side support from here really to the first cross member is where things are pretty rusty. There's the side of that and the inside of that area. It's not as bad as the very back end. And then once we get up past that first cross member, things definitely look better. Cross member isn't bad, and the side support's not bad. I don't think it's bad from my angle outside of the trailer anyway. And then this is up between the two tires. Much better looking. It's just where that urine comes out of the back of the trailer. Take it all the way to the front. This is a running board where the running board attaches. Here are these main supports of the trailer. Much, much better. I would say it's the back 10 to 15%.